Good day everybody. Today we've come to a little village called Fridaythorpe. It's near Driffield, about a quarter of an hour away from Drift. And it's got a pond. Fridaythorpe Pond. It's nice, isn't it? It's a bit rainy today and it's a bit cold. But, you know, it's all good. Because the ducks have got a little house down there, look. It's also got this rather lavish bus stop. Well, that's nice, isn't it? I've never seen a bus stop like this before. It's got some seating and it comes out onto this beautiful little patio where you can get distracted from waiting for the bus by looking at this pond, and you miss the one bus that they probably have a day. Sorry, Fridaythorpe. I'm sure they're a lot more regular than that. It's also got these little gnomes, look, chilling. And just to quash any rumours that there is one bus a day, there's actually two. One at 9:35 and one at 12:05. So there's also one. Well, there's not only two. There's only two, but they're on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And you can go to Pocklington on a Tuesday, and you can go to York on the second Friday of each month. So, you know, that's something to look forward to, isn't it, for the people of Fridaythorpe? So, Fridaythorpe. Look at all this about Fridaythorpe. Look at all that. I'm not reading all that. It's a lot, isn't it? But, you know. Welcome to Fridaythorpe, the highest village on the Yorkshire Wolds. You're currently standing 561 feet above sea level. Village amenities include a filling station and a shop, award-winning butcher, public house and restaurant, agricultural store and cafe. And in 2008, an Awards for All grant was received from the National Lottery Fund by the Fridaythorpe Focus Group for the renovation of the village pond area and erection of this panel. So there you go. That's what you do with National Lottery money, people. The Yorkshire Wolds are a range of low rolling hills of unspoilt chalk grassland, which rise from the River Humber at Hessel and run in a crescent curve culminating in the east with dramatic cliffs of Flamborough Head and Bempton, north of Brid. Bit of past history. The village can trace its history back to Viking times. The name Fridaythorpe may be derived from Frigg's farm, referring to the Norse goddess Frigg. Alternatively, the prefix may be from the Old English personal name Frigidaig and the Scandinavian ending Thorpe, meaning a secondary settlement. It was settled in the late 9th or 10th century when the area was colonised for sheep farming. And there you go. And that's where we are. There's Scarborough. And there's Hull. And we're there. Bit of local wildlife. You can see a stoat, a roe deer, some cowslip, a red admiral butterfly, a mouse, buttercups, a great tit and a chaffinch. Nice in multi pictures. Good, eh? And they're celebrating the Fridaythorpe Club Feast. That sounds great, with villagers in Edwardian dress. Lovely stuff, eh? Sometimes you just don't expect to see a Power Rangers graffiti on the side of a hay/straw barn thing. Very random. There's Lupin, being a good boy. Just sniffing the side of a pub as you do. There is a pub here called the Manor Inn. Doesn't look very open. Apparently it's a steakhouse, bar and grill. I don't know what time that place opens, but I may frequent it should it open whilst we're here. We have a very 70s/80s old-fashioned petrol station. This dinky little place, Seaways Cafe, hot drinks 24/7. Wow. It's a proper biker's cafe, this. Apple pie custard cappuccino. Delightful. Cakes for sale. It's cute, isn't it? Pick yourself up a little cake. How sweet. There's not a lot else to look at in Fridaythorpe. That's shut. So that's good, isn't it? Yeah. There's a farm up there. Well, whilst we're here, might as well have a little circular. As I said, it's a bit rainy today. It's a bit nippy today, but it's alright. It's not too bad. I've got an apple pie and custard and a cappuccino down me now, so you know, we can go for miles, can't we, Lupin? Isn't he a good boy? Lupin. I've just randomly seen online a computer sheds museum in a village near here. It's about half an hour away, to be fair, but possibly one for the future. Computer sheds museum, mate. There's a very old sign. Agricultural Engineers, G.F. Fisher. I wonder how long that's been there for. So check this out. Home Dean conditions. If the stone is wet, it's raining. If the stone is dry, it's not raining. If the shadow's on the ground, it's sunny. If it's white on top, it's snowing. If you can't see the stone, it's foggy. If it's swinging, it's windy. If it's jumping, there's an earthquake. And if there's no stone, there's a tornado. Ain't that cute? Very good. I would have got a closer look at that thing, but there's a sign saying, please keep off the grass. Don't want people on the grass, which is fine. Because that's what zoom in's for on the editor. Isn't it, Loops? So this goes all the way down there, then loops back over there onto the main road, and then I can just get back over there. I'm not entirely sure how far a walk it is, but don't matter, does it, Lupin? It's a very still day in East Yorkshire. Public bridle way. This way. Yeah, it's definitely a circular back onto the main road. So that's good, isn't it? Oh, there's some signs over here. Let's see what these say. Okay, so this is actually on the Yorkshire Wolds Way. That way and that way. The dog chasing after me. So the Yorkshire Wolds Way goes down there. That looks quite cool, doesn't it? So I'm not going to go where I was going to go. I'm actually going to venture down here to this rather picturesque little valley. Need to keep a serious eye on this dog now, because there's lots of poop and he's definitely going to roll in it. So time to be vigilant here, Lupin. I have no idea where this goes, by the way. Just continues on the Yorkshire Wolds Way. So this goes 3 miles in this direction to a place called Huggett. Will I go that far? Probably not. Hey Lupin, you're a good boy. I've already stopped him from rolling in something horrific. And they've got a little floof too. So yeah, nice 3 milers Huggett over there. I don't have time to do the full walk these days, but it's a really nice walk in this big valley. It's very, very quiet. And it's very, very serene. It's most wonderful. And Lupin is a dog. Might come back and do this in the summer when we got a little bit more time, eh, Lupin? And it's not raining. Although having said that, I'd rather walk in a little bit of rain than blazing hot sunshine. One last cute little thing to show you. In Fridaythorpe, just a little phone box. And look, there's a poster in it saying, welcome to the Yorkshire Wolds Way's highest village. presumably there were leaflets in there. Cute, eh? Fridaythorpe Parish Council. Yeah, Lupin. I'll leave you in there. No. Go on in. So that's Fridaythorpe. Not much exciting, just a lovely little village on the Yorkshire Wolds. Happy days. Seaways, yeah. 24/7 drinks if you're passing through in the dead of night. Get yourself a hot drink. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, so you can go on the Yorkshire Wolds walk to Hugget. That's 3 miles there. I don't know what's a Hugget. Maybe that's a future video. Maybe there's a pub cafe. People walk there, have something to eat there, then come back. Probably one for the summer, that, I think. And obviously the Yorkshire Wolds goes the other way. I'm not sure where that goes. Have a look if you're coming here to do a nice bit of a walk. And yes, so that computer museum, that actually looks pretty cool. I went on the website, proper retro website, vintage stuff, which is in keeping because it's all retro computers and things like that. I have emailed them to see if I can go have a look around, and that could be one for the future as well. But until then, thank you very much. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.